Hey everybody, how are you? This is Jeff here again from carbuyingtips.com. You are looking here at a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today we're going to show you how to change the cabin filter in this lovely vehicle. So here is your cabin air filter, and we will put a link down in the description for this so you can check it out on Amazon. And before we pull out the filter, we wanted to just remind you that with this newer model of Jeep, we no longer have to pull off these tension parts right here. You don't have to take the door off anymore. You just pull out the plastic guards that are up underneath. Okay, so the first thing is, see this plastic casing right here? We're going to pull this out. Yep.
And then inside there's two clips.
Okay, and then you can barely see that plastic shield back in there, that cover. You just pull that out, see? And you can see the old air filter in there, sitting right in there. Then you just slide the old filter out. Let's see how dirty it was.
It's actually not that bad. Down. So is that the airflow? Down?
So here's the difference between the two. The one on the left is the one that we just pulled out. You can see how dirty this one is. And the one on the right is brand new. Just slide in the new filter right back into that slot that you pulled the old one out of.
There we go.
So there we are. It's pushed all the way back in where it belongs, in the very back there.
And then this gizmo attaches to the left side of the filter. There's the female side of this clip.
Okay.
So, get this in. So this will clip back in. On top of the filter there are the two female slots for this piece to go into. I might have to come back out because there we go. And voila, you have a new cabin air filter.
And this case is closed. And we hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon next to it so that you can be alerted every time we upload a new video. That's it for this week, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.